Okay, everyone, never pull fire alarms for fun, and never tamper with fire alarm equipment in public buildings. That is not okay at all because fire alarms are very serious devices that save people's lives and save buildings from being burnt to the ground. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, you are responsible for risking other people's lives because there could be a real emergency somewhere else, and the fire department will have to go to your false fire alarm that you pulled, and there could be a real emergency somewhere else, and the fire department, they could not be at the real emergency because you pulled that false fire alarm. Because of you, people are dying, and that is not okay at all. And after that, you will get into serious trouble. You will get fined and you will get arrested by the police. And you could be in jail for a very long time because pulling fire alarms for fun is a felony. Also, if you do it at school, you will get suspended and expelled from school. You will get grounded by your parents if you are a kid. If you do it at work, you will get fired from your job. And if you do it in any public building, you will be kicked out and you will never be allowed to come back. So, I am not joking when I say don't pull fire alarms for fun. I am very serious. You don't ever pull fire alarms for fun. Also, you never tamper with fire alarms. So, never take them off the wall, never take them off the ceiling, never screw or unscrew them, never paint them, never write or draw on them. Never take the strobe off of them, never take the sounder off of them, never disable the sounder or the strobe on them. Never put tape over the sounder, never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on them. Never put stickers on them. Never take the fire lettering off of them. Never take the logo off of them. Never dump water on them. With EST Genesis fire alarms, never cross out or rip out the running man escaping from the fire image on them. Never tamper with the fire alarm control panel or any other controls for the fire alarm system. Never tamper with the detectors or the flow switches. Never take the dialer out that contacts the fire department. And with fire alarms at school, never ever put your schoolwork on them. Also, never ever throw toys at them. Speaking of toys, these things are not toys. These are life safety devices. So, never ever mess with them. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then you can use them as toys, but in a public building, you do not mess with these things. Bye.